Okay, I have absolute chaos going on. This is the part I was telling you where I'm going to be doing packing up all of this home baked stuff. I have the craziest, craziest mess. I don't think I have one clean corner. Well, maybe this corner. It's the only thing without tons of junk. And I've got my hot buttered rum candle here. I'm getting ready to pack up all of these goodies. Let's make it super festive and add the lights above the counter because those are just like so cute. I love those. Okay, so I've got my crinkle stuff. Some people are getting gift bags with all of these goodies in it, and some people are getting, like kids and stuff, are getting their own container. There is so many containers to make. I brought up all my tins, everything I could find. Look how cute the lids are. They got little sparkles in them. And yeah, so all of these, I don't know how many I'm gonna need, but I definitely need a lot. And all of the baking that's going into this. This is the coffee pretzels. I pre-bagged up these in the video. All the stuff is in the video, in the baking videos, all the recipes. These are the super soft Mennonite cream cookies. These are the mocha. These are so good, you guys. These are like my absolute favorite of all of these, besides shortbread, is these mocha cookies because they taste like coffee and chocolate, my two favorite things right now. These are the confetti squares, Grinch fudge, and these, like, look at that. So cute. Kids are gonna love those. This is the cookies and cream Oreo fudge. More of those. These are the gingerbread crinkles. I think the icing sugar's kind of fallen off a little bit, but that's okay. Here's a whole bag, this huge bag of English toffee. This stuff is so good. It just like melts in your mouth. I love that. Homemade marshmallows, which I have put in little glass jars with oh, there's my strawberry shortcake sweater. I love it. But these cute little jars for marshmallows, for hot chocolate. So yeah, that's what I have to do. Oh, and this is that Christmas cornflake crack. It is so good. Cornflake candy, but it's more like cornflake crack. I've got all my Christmassy decorations and some tissue, and so that's what I have to do. Yeah, no corner is clean. Even on the couch, I want to organize all of my recipes. I guess maybe this is clean. Dogs haven't found that, thank goodness. But all of this is gonna be, I'm gonna be organizing all my recipes into binders. Yeah, the dogs are chilling. The fire's going. I've got my Christmas tablecloth on. I have to still decorate the table, and we don't have a tree till we come back from the hospital. I have to go have the biopsy, heart biopsy, and I put a few Christmas things out. I'm not going totally crazy or anything yet because I want to get all this baking stuff dealt with. So that's the plan for right now, is deal with this giant mess and make all these containers and get them back in the freezer, and then pack for heading out for our hospital trip. And hopefully I won't have to do that much longer, so close together. As I get good heart biopsy results, I get to have them further and further apart. So yeah, I'm gonna refill my coffee and get busy here. I got a lot of containers to fill. Oh my goodness. And I want to make it cute. I thought it would be really pretty to make, some years I use these really nice cardboard gable boxes, but I just thought for stacking, I want these to go in the freezer, so I kind of thought this is more, it's not as aesthetic without the cute gable boxes all decorated with the, but these will stack in my freezer, all these little containers, and then everybody gets the same amount, and I can probably give them more stuff. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so let me get busy. Oh my goodness, you guys. I was packing up and I realized I didn't even get out the ginger snap cookies and all the date bars that I made, because I made extra because everybody loves those so much. So I don't know how I'm gonna fit all this stuff in these containers. I put some crinkle underneath everything, but I think I'm actually gonna use tissue underneath because I don't want the tissue or the crinkle kind of sticking. So I have to take a few things out and add in some of these because they won't even get any. And see, like, oh my goodness, there's only room for one. The lid has to close and they have to get in the freezer too. Okay, that is better. Let's see if the lid will close. Really like these containers. Yes, it's gonna go in the freezer. Okay, I knew I had more stuff. Too funny. So everyone is gonna get their container of goodies, their little bag of pretzels, and then either a jar of the homemade marshmallows or the cute little bag of them. Just depends on who it is, because I know some people don't drink hot chocolate, but like my nieces, they love probably hot chocolate, so I will be giving them definitely a bigger one because they will probably really enjoy that. So I got a lot to do. I better get going. This is so much fun, you guys. I had such a blast. So I'm using all of the recipes from the past 2 videos, so that is 14 different things. Plus I made a few other things for other videos like Canadian butter tarts and some other desserts. So if you want to bake any of these or make any of these cookies and treats, a lot of them are so easy and they're no bake stuff as well as baked goods. Go back to my Christmas holiday videos where I share all of the recipes and they are so fun. I have such a big mess. I even have my yoga mat laying out because I thought if I put my yoga mat out, it'll remind me that I have to do my stretches today. So, but first I have to get this done. I want everything totally organized, stacked and separated and labeled with names, because I know once it goes in the freezer, if it doesn't have a name, I won't remember who it is, because I'm putting extra things that I know that certain people like into their boxes. So they're turning out really good. This has been so fun, and I'm really happy that I got a good head start and started baking at that mid-November and freezing everything in Ziploc bags and stacking stuff so that I could just pull it out now and make all these containers, and then I will replace them, but it'll be totally organized with names on them. And so when we do go down on our trip, I'm just going to grab the stack of treats that are for the people that we're going to see and family members and their gift bags. It's going to be great. And once I'm done, it's going to be a relief that everything is organized, and then I have an extra pile that's going to be for putting out on Christmas Day after I make a turkey dinner feast, and then everybody can grab some and enjoy all the different treats on a platter. So yeah, it's been a great fun time making all this stuff and really low stress because I started slowly and I just started making things slow. And when I did have a huge mess, I did make more things that day. Like if I'm going to have a huge mess going on in the kitchen, I made a lot of different things in one day, and then it was easier to clean up and I had a lot of stuff. So it was fun to make 3 or 4 things in one day, for sure. Okay, I've somewhat got these organized and it got so out of control that I needed to get some sticky notes on there. I tried to, some of these, I couldn't make them as nice as others. This special one is strictly date bars for my son-in-law because it's his absolute favorite. And I'm still going. I need to do, I think, 4 more, and I'm starting to run out of stuff and steam. So this is perfect timing, and then I can finish up these gift bags. Oh, and everybody gets one of these prep to be fruitful coffee circle bags along with it, and I think we're almost there. And then I can clean up my crazy mess, but it's worth it. I am finally finished packing all of these goodies, and I've ended up getting a lot of stuff done today, so that feels really good. This is all the like extra stuff to put out on Christmas Day. When after I do turkey, I'll probably put a nice platter of goodies out with the pie and stuff. And then these this is all stuff you're not seeing as well, as I made pretzel mix, like nuts and bolts for everybody, and they're already done and packed in a different area. But now I just had to get the sweets done, and everybody is going to get their goodies. So I'm pretty happy to be kind of finished this, so I can pack all this up, stack it in the freezer, and now it's cleanup time. So here is the final result. I've got marshmallows, cookie bins, cookie tins. All the plastic ones will stack nice. I've got goodie bags. I've got marshmallows in bags and jars. These are so cute, in little plastic bags for the pretzel mix. And some of these, like I said, were all no bake. Some of them are really easy. So now I just want to leave you guys with a beautiful view. It's becoming evening time now. This is my favorite time of day. The fire is crackling. The sun is like glistening through the mountains, and all the animals are settled. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. I've had a really fun day today. I'm really exhausted, but it was totally worth it. I'll catch you next time, friends. Bye.